Hi guys, today we are going to update the firmware of Supermicro server. The problem we are facing here is that we are unable to mount the image on it. The SMB share through this IPMI works sometimes, but we just wanted the IPMI view through Java, and it should work and we should be able to mount the image. But however, since the firmware is very old, the Java is not compatible. This application give this error, unable to launch application Java ICAM viewer, blah blah blah. So there is another tool by Supermicro IPMI view. We also tried to connect through this. It eventually helped us in getting the model of the board, but beside that we were unable to mount any image. It asked for some license to be purchased, $25 license, which was also not guaranteed that it would work. And secondly, when we try to launch the KVM console through this IPME view software, it also doesn't work and it gives the connection failure. The only help it gave us was that we were able to find the motherboard model, which will eventually help us in getting the right firmware. Okay, so there are two important things before I would like to proceed with the firmware update. One is that the the server for which you are going to upgrade the firmware must be on the same network from which you are going to upload the firmware. I don't know if it can work remotely with some other server, but in my case I am doing this is remotely. So my remote server is located on the IP.167, whereas the server for which we are going to upgrade the firmware has an IP of 202, right? This is the IP URL I opened, so from where we can update the firmware. This is our server, okay, 202, and this is my remote computer having Windows 10, from which I'm going to upload it the firmware. Okay, so first of all, we have to get the model. Here is X10 SLEHF. So I will search for Supermicro X10 SLE-F. Okay, this is SLEF, and there is a HF model, right? There might be some similar, but here you go, FHF, Google search. So this one I'm going to use is F/HF. So HF might be some little bit difference. I don't know what exactly to be, but I tested this firmware works for this particular motherboard. Okay, and now we have to go here, PMC IPME firmware. The firmware currently we have can be seen from the BIOS also, 1.11, or you can also see directly from here. It is 2013 firmware 1.11. Okay, now I'm going to download revision number 4. Okay, it's the only one available. Okay, let me download it from here. Continue as a guest. Here we download it. Okay, I have downloaded it multiple times before. Let me open it, and I have to, let me see what's in it. Okay, we have to extract it. There's a guide and a file, bin file. I'm going to extract it all. So here is extracted. Let me see what this guide says. Okay, just the guide we are going to perform here. Go to firmware update, enable a maintenance mode, and then you can select the file and make sure the firm version is correct and update. Click OK and the reboot. So we got that. This is the warning I was telling you about. Let me go back to it on the page number 3. Uncheck preserve configuration box during the flash. Very important step for the firmware to work properly. Okay, so we will do the same. Let me go to the IPMI of this server, and we go to maintenance, firmware update, enter update mode. Yes, we are sure. Downloads. This is the file we downloaded. And what's in this folder? Or something else. This is the bin file. Okay. It's uploading. I think so. Okay. It's not that big. The bin files are very small. The format. Okay, preserve configuration. Remember I told you the warning, uncheck preserve configuration. So you must be careful. You have to uncheck it, and then now look 1.11 and the new version 4. From 2013 to I think 2023. Let's see if it works. I hope it does. It won't, otherwise it would break the system. If most probably, if it doesn't work, wrong firmware is a no way. If you accidentally upload the wrong firmware, the system can get bricked, or you have to do flash BIOS again. And I don't know how to do that remotely, so I cannot take such chances. So so you should be very careful when selecting the right model. I have already performed for this other server, so it worked, and I was very careful at that time. Now I'm doing very quick just for the video. Otherwise, you have to be very careful with each step, especially selecting the BIOS firmware versions. Select the right motherboard firmware, or else you will be left with a dead brick server. First 31%. Just let us skip to the 100% and we'll see. Okay, I think it's stuck on the 89%. I have to try to log in it again. I waited for around half hour. It's not working, and it's also not connecting here. It seems that the password has been reset, so I'm going to try default password admin. Okay, we have logged in, and I see the firmware has been upgraded. So of course it was stuck here, but eventually it upgraded. The firmware was upgraded. Let's connect it. Let's try to mount the IPMI now. Image on the IPMI. Let's see. Okay, didn't give the error. Great, no error at all. Yeah, we want to run this application. Let me close other boxes. Okay, ta-da! Let's mount the image. To mount the Alma Linux 8.1 plugin. Okay, and here we go. Boot override is the boot priority. Let me set it up to the CD DVD, but actually that's not the device. We will manually select it on boot. Let me press the F11 so I could enter the boot menu. F11, okay. Invoking the boot menu. I've stopped pressing the F11. So eventually our tutorial is over here. I'll just do the installation now, and simply we can see the IPMI KVM viewer is now running fine. Thank you for watching the video.